Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 16, that is some important cities. So here I will tell you about some important cities like Chandigarh, Jaipur, Lucknow, your Patna and Bengaluru. So what you will do, you will write these 5 sentences about your village or city wherever you reside. So beside the 4 metropolitan cities, we have other important cities also which is of very important for the development of India. Like first is Chandigarh. So it is the joint capital of Punjab and Haryana and Union Territory. When it was formed on 1st November 1966, ये एक systematic rectangular sector पे divided है, right? All the government buildings, high courts, legislative assembly, secretariats here lies in the sector 1. Industry, if we talk about, we have sanitary, ware industries, pharmaceuticals and electronic instrument. Right? So tourist stop places, there are few gardens in Chandigarh which are worth seeing. जैसे रॉक गार्डन हो गया आपका, चंडीगढ़ का वो फेमस है, मिस्टर नेक्शन. In this garden we can see beautiful colored statues of trees, people, animal, houses. जो किसके बने हैं? Waste material पे. Right? The biggest garden of rose is Asia, named as Rose Garden. जो आपका चंडीगढ़ पे है. More than 1600 types of rose plant can be seen here. We have Jaipur, which is the capital of Rajasthan, founded by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh. Jaipur is known as Pink City because most of the buildings in the old city are made up of pink sandstone. Right? We have Teej, Gangaur and Diwali festival, which is mainly celebrated in Jaipur. Now industries. The important industries of Jaipur are mostly based on handicraft, like jewelry, metalwork, stonework, tie and dye, and ivory and marble work. Now tourist places, like we have Hawa Mahal, Rambagh Palace, Jantar Mantar, City Palace, Amber Fort. What are these? These are all the interesting places that we see in Jaipur, and Jantar Mantar, it is the largest observatory in India. Then we have Lucknow. You all know it's the capital of Uttar Pradesh, which is situated on bank of river Gomti. जितने भी important offices हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के वो यहीं located है, right? Which is famous for chicken embroidery. All over the world we have Hazratganj, Aminabad, which is the best shopping center, and Lucknow is also known as city of Nawabs. Industries की बात करें तो यहाँ पे food, handicrafts, electric goods main industries है. Tourist places, if we see about, there are many landmarks like Residency, Bara-Imbara, Rumi Darwaza, Clock Tower and Shahid Smarak. Patna, capital of Bihar, ancient city जो आपकी river Ganga पे है. Where it is on river Ganga. Right? It is the time called Patliputra. Its capital was of King Chandragupta Maurya, which is located near the Ganga. Patna has very much fertile alluvial soil. Now Chhath Puja is the main festival of the people of Patna. Then we have tourist places like Maharaja Palace, Raj Bhavan, High Court, Patna Sahib Gurudwara or St. Mary's Church. Bengaluru, it's the capital of Karnataka and 7th largest city, which is renamed as Bengaluru and is known for garden city. Climate जो होता है वो moderate होता है, pleasant होता है, and summers are mild, winters are cool. The city has wide roads and beautiful parks. Most of the government offices and museums are either on the Kivun Park. Now industries. Today Bengaluru is Asia's fastest growing, most advanced industry in India. It includes machines, aircraft, electronic goods, telephone, soaps, mechanical, textile and watches. और जो सिल्क साड़ी है बेंगलुरु की वो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. Places to visit are, we have Campi Godwa, Circle, Ganpati Temple, Bengaluru Fort, Botanical Garden, Bull Temple, Dargah, Hazrat Tuakal, Mastan, Tipu Sultan, Chikbat and Vidhan Sobha. Right? So check your understanding. Why do you think the rock garden has made from waste material? That you have to tell. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.